Yeah, hi, it's JB here again with today's Futures Day Trading video review. Hey, you. Yeah, yeah, you, I'm talking to you. Are you listening? Because today's Wednesday, October 25th, 2017, we do have a webinar tomorrow, but let's take a look clearly at this video because, everything is in this video here for you to make a decision with what we do. If you look back in the last 4 or 5 videos, you're going to see that it's exactly the same. Now, I'm not going to keep cutting up the daily videos from the trading room to show this to you, but at some point you got to make a decision either to move on from us to somebody else or to pursue the dream that you really want. Now, today in the room, we said 63 would be significant for the bears. We can get below it. We had some downside targets, 50, 56, right? Even the weekly, we had a downside target at 52. Now, obviously, we hit all those targets, but in the room, you're going to hear the live in the video that's following this short video where we actually got in up here around the 65, was it 65 and a half, 65 3/4. And, we showed how to manage this thing on the way down, told you the targets, told you how to read this GPS all along the way down. So if you're seriously interested, continue. There's a video right after here, very important for you to listen to. If not, please hit unsubscribe and make a decision at least to move on to something else. Thank you very much for your interest, and we do appreciate your patience to watch all of the video. Yeah, when I look at this thing, I say to myself, is the daily chart energy, is it pushing down? And with a 7% in the refresh, yeah, I don't see a problem really to get down to 56 on the way to 52, maybe. So if that's going to be the case, yeah, this daily axe support, higher chart axe support at 363 needs to break, and we need to lose the daily C wave up. So that all ties in with the higher chart refresh trend trade down. So that's all I can see. I'm a bearish boy right here. Let's see. Here we go. Dow's open off a little red. Okay, there it is, an EP. So that's an exhaust right there. For a 4.5, 4 3/4 entry, right? It's an exhaust. Obviously, it's got a hold. Well, it's still got a lot of energy on it, 140, 126%, but it's got a hold. And that's all we've got here is in this area. It's a modernized. Now at least the focus chart seems to be giving us a little love, right? So let's play the song, see if it works out. I'm gonna be staying in here. I'm looking for 56. We can take out 2 and 3, right? So let's see. Okay, looks like we're getting some love there. See if we can crack now. Keep getting zeros on the GPS on the trade chart. What does it mean? Well, it means the upper energy band is going to hold. It's going to hold. I don't want to get out. Somebody chimed in. He says his tree is up, outside lights are on, and he thought the guy in the picture was very handsome. Well, it's trying to push up, isn't it? But it hasn't been able to take out that wall. And that was with 365% it put in that wall, right? With the GPS zero and everything else. So I'm expecting 62 to hold. I could be wrong, but that's kind of what I'm hoping for. Somebody said that was funny. Well, we got to have fun, you know. Today could be our last day. You never know. Today's the day, right? What do they say? Today's the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. GPS, or yeah, I didn't put it in the daily, but I put it in the weekly GPS. See, it's down here, flush down to 52. See that? Flush down to 52. That's 52 approximately. Weekly support, you know, this purple line in this area here. So that's what the weekly's trying to do, right? So made a lot of sense if you're a swing trader, right, with zero GPS, that energy band on an EP is going to hold, you know, because everything's set up intraday as well. So anyway, just another piece of the puzzle, right?